I wanted them sandals still on sale. Smooth. The internet has spoken.
Man, what the internet say?
Well, they like you in your barbecue shoes.
Man, hell nah. What you, whoa, oh no.
So.
Why though?
With these.
White socks.
Yeah.
I saw them comments. I saw them damn comments.
With this.
And I'm sitting here. And I gotta go somewhere?
We're going to the grocery store.
Y'all be lying.
Going to the grocery.
Oh, we love
We're
y'all.
going to
y'all love Shannon. Y'all just want to make a fool out of me.
Come on, let's go make these groceries.
So this how y'all do the homie. You know, stuffed in the middle. Y'all want me to wear some daggum barbecue sandals and white socks and a Hawaiian shirt. And I do this for y'all. Y'all better like, follow, share, and subscribe. Oh, that's my favorite track.
You ready?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go in the store. Y'all see them socks, don't you? Woo. Don't come over here.
Y'all know that. I just want to let y'all know that y'all don't know that.
Why is that shirt so big?
Come on.
Come on, Uncle. Come on, Unc. What you finna get, Papa? What you finna get?
It's embarrassing.
Huh? I'm embarrassing you? It's embarrassing. You be alright.
I hope y'all happy, bro. Look at this mess. See that big old shirt hanging all out? Yeah, boy, y'all wow, boy.
What you gonna get, some thighs, Papa?
Oh, you know, die. Split chicken breast still on. Split chicken breast still on sale too.
I wanted them sandals still on sale.